Okay, what we're wanting to introduce you to here is our new normally closed single pole, single throw reed switch, a micro miniature size. This is an amazing, unique little device that has the capability of staying normally closed without any modifications done to it, as we do and the industry does as well. You can make Form Bs out of standard Form As by adding a magnet to the device and forcing it closed with the magnetism from the magnet, and then you approach it with another magnet and it opens and operates. But there's a lot of manufacturing production time invested in producing this part compared to this new device. You can take a Form C switch and cut the normally open lead off and utilize the normally closed lead in conjunction with the common and produce the same thing. But there again, you have one wasted component that's cut off and thrown away, and to get the same thing as what this new device is. The nice thing about this also, the small little part, is the fact that it is so small that you can utilize it in several different locations on a circuit board. With it not having the additional lead protruding from the opposite end, you can mount it straight through a circuit board or hang it off the circuit board of this nature as well and operate it even with the ring magnet. Most reed switches cannot operate in this environment, and the ring come directly over the switch and operate it due to the fact that this device only requires a single polarity of a switch. Standard switches operate to where magnetism flows through both reeds in order to create the magnetic closure of the switch. The same with the C switches. You must have both poles present. You can't just come with one pole and do the same thing. That is the nice thing about this new device, is it only requires a single pole approaching for magnetism. So rather than having to come in with both poles, this only requires a single pole coming toward the device in any approach. And we'll look at this. We have a continuity meter hooked up to this one through the board, and you can see it's operate just off a single polarity. And it doesn't matter which polarity it is, it could go either direction, north or south. It is not picky. As shown in this device here, you must approach it with the correct polarity in order to get it to operate right, or you will kill the magnetism. So this is an amazing little device that can take the place of other devices, and it has the potential to be mounted in applications not normal to standard reed switches.